How to fix Apple TV Plus not working on TV. First of all, try to perform a hard power cycle. Do not use your remote control to turn off the TV. Rather, unplug the TV's power cord directly from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This clears out system memory blocks that keeps applications stuck on a black screen. Then, force close the application as well. If your TV supports it, you have to simply go to the TV settings, then go to Apple TV within the app section, then select the force stop and proceed to clear the cache. You can also check the TV system clock. Go to your TV system settings and make sure that the date and time are set to automatic. And you can also try to reinstall the application by deleting it from your TV's application hub and restarting the television and then re-downloading the application from the store once again should fix your issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.